Okay, I made up this video a couple weeks ago, just getting around to editing it now. I go through setting up some of the drop lines and especially the end line. The end line has a stopper in it so that the sap will only run out and down the hill. We don't want any sap running back up into it. That's where bacteria will grow, and bacteria is our enemy. All right, I just installed the last one on this line. I started at the bottom, way down there. And the last one, these blue health teas. This side here is a solid point, so nothing will go through here. But when we tap the tree, so this will go into the tree, the sap will run down into the tea, through here and out this way and down the line. Here's a close-up view of what the end line health tea looks like. That's a solid point here. And I have it pointed downwards this way so it comes through from the tap, through the drop line, through this into the lateral line. And ours are 3/16 gravity fed tubing. And they head down to a 1-inch main line that is also on a slope, gravity fed to a 1,000-liter sap collection container. And then from there we pump it inside the sugar shack. Snow is starting to get pretty deep, up over my knees and to my waist in some spots. Had to get the snowshoes out. The poor dogs were having a hard time walking through it. But we finally have everything installed and up, and it is running today. Today, March 10th, 2021. It's about 9 degrees out today. It started running a bit yesterday, and today it's running pretty quickly. Started tapping a few trees, and she's flowing today. It's supposed to get cold again for a few days, but at least we'll be ready to go. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video when we start to boil some sap in our new evaporator. Have a great day.